Hmm. All right. Good morning. When you back in 1998 used to go to the arcades and turn on the Tekken arcade, Tekken 2, and there was this voice at the beginning saying "Good morning." It's incredible. That's right. What else? Yeah, Def Leppard. When love and hate collide. Yeah, we have our next commit by Def Leppard. I remember that. Well, I kept thinking of it. Yeah, if I, that's how I learned English based on music. Yeah, we are. So let's tackle this game. Sidereus was a concept. Where is it? All right. All right. I don't want to 500. Okay, this is good because having the player, going over here to uh, for upcoming versions, you will direct your bullet towards the direct direction of the user, like this. But also, having the user going up over this, over here, to say, and then come back quickly and move the melancholy is. So I'm leaving this because so he can play in this region. Okay? Yeah, so he can move quickly down here, like here, and move. Otherwise, will become silly. And melancholy will move at this speed sideways. But if the user buys some kind of engine, we maybe we can achieve moving the finger super fast like this, and melancholy moving like teletransporting quickly with even a visual effect appearing here. You know, but it is an advanced feature to for the user to acquire in a store. Look at this. The melancholy will disappear from here with a visual effect and appear here. Yes. Other than that, the user will have to move at the speed of the basic engine, which is this. The user want to teletransportation, like this. But she or he, well, they need to buy it at the user store. Oh my God, this internet, I don't know. No, what? Well, we are like at the end of this thing, hopefully. Yes, we have to clean the set intervals, but I will do that on my own without being live. Fixing the numbers, magic numbers, I will do that on my own. No need for this to be live. Also, I want to explore a way to make money out of the. There is no one in here, but hopefully in the future people will get interested in this live coding and charge money or buy something. I don't know. I have a store. Well, I don't have a store. I have a section on Redbubble. Look for my name. Give shop. And you can buy these designs. I'm coming up with another t-shirt probably later this day. Shut up and code. Here's a good one. But no one is buying anything. You know, buy something here. It's not necessary. Uh, Thanks for watching this video in the future. No one sees these videos. What's next? Yeah, collision detection. Dogs. Who let the dogs out? That's those are not my dogs. Yeah. Okay, let's have melancholy over here. Let's have two enemies. Let's have some XY, 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 yeah. Let's have some bullets. Yeah, these will be bullets. Little arrows. Let's have some array representing bullets. And then another array representing false. And then have another array representing their bullets. Each one of these has an X and Y. I don't know what I was thinking when I decided to do this game. Well, I need to generate an income, and I suppose asking for funding from this game is a good idea. But this is a lot. You know, think twice before implementing a video game. And, yeah, you have to really love this topic. I like computation. Well, yeah. Well, yeah, let's try this. You This is our date function. Why is this thing is not showing? I mean, can't believe it. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Let's. I don't know how to proceed in here. In the update function. Besides, I am unable to play music, so this is not a good idea. I will, like, I don't know. Perhaps, I don't know. Yeah, let's finish this and move to other topics. Uh, okay, so we have a lot of things going on the screen. We have several foes. We have melancholy. We have bullets from foes, bullets from melancholy. We have an update function. Can't believe it. We are moving these bullets and these bullets, moving bullets. Motion, motion. My God. Let's suppose, uh, why mother of God, let's suppose a bullet hits a foe. Uh, so it clear the canvas. Where is update? Oh, in here. I suppose update goes first. I'm not sure how this will play for us, but let us see. Yes, because in here we throw the bullet, we update the motion, and if no, this part is hard. Let's suppose this bullet is update, is motion, update, over here, then draw, then update, then draw. Now it's here. And it hits the melancholy, then update, and here we should, my God, should delete this thing. Then draw. Yeah, and we need to decide if a bullet should be advance, continue its trajectory to kill more foes, or disappear, vanish with the explosion. Well, this I don't know if you are like aware of this notation. O and square, because I'm going to check all the bullets in the screen. We need to take care of that part too. Each one of these, and for each one of these bullets, checking its y. Sorry, it's x and y for each one of these checks x and y. And oh, this is like, I don't like this solution. For each one of these n bullets, according to the Coursera algorithm schools, this is unacceptable for big problems. So, and here we will have only like 10 bullets in on screen. So perhaps is acceptable, but this is most likely not a good idea most of the time. So for each one of these bullets, and I am unable to see another solution, another quick solution. For each one of the bullets, XY, check XY, check XY. And for each one of these bullets, uh, check where are these guys out here? Check each one of these guys. If this x equals to one of these x, for example, this and y, No, it's a lot of work. Look at this. Look at this. Non-interruption. But this is not reflected in here. At the same time, it's not reflected in here. But we are having viewers now. Someone came here. Sometimes they don't say anything. I mean, you don't have to. Or sometimes they put some hello here. There are some hearts. Okay, two hearts. Thanks. Oh, some celebration. Look at this. Great, thank you very much. This is the new deal. Okay. All right. Let's put some hearts back. Oh, cool. There are some smiling faces. Well, thank you very much. I shall. You can also write over here, but if you don't, I'm not sure. Hearts are those hearts and celebration. And, yeah, thank you for having this. I'm not sure. This is lagging. What are you saying? Oh, okay. Rinsing my hair. All right. Uh, One light. Yeah. And some more celebration. Likes and celebration and hearts. Look at this. Thank you very much. No, thank you. That's how Bilbo Baggins say. But it's okay. Thank you very much. I shall continue with this thing. Otherwise, I will be here like forever. I really want to move on from this project. Uh, okay, for each one of these wallets, check every single poll. This will be our friend O of N square. But at this point, the size of the input is quite small. There will be like 10 bullets, so it's quite okay. But don't. I am revisiting some algorithms topics, so perhaps in the process from months from now, I will find ways to represent these uh, these things differently. Checked with some graph. I don't know. Not sure. I'm not sure. I'm ignorant. For each one of these bullets, check every foe, and if the coordinates are in some range, the foe is marked for vanishing, disappearing, and remove from the array. Remove. Let's make this over here. Na, 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 I'm singing because I am unable to play music. Remove fall. and draw again, draw, and it will be the same mechanics for these bullets. Checking melancholy. In melancholy, someone will say, "Let me explain to you while looking into this." Someone, someone will be tempted, which remind me another sound. Tempted. Who sings this song? Oh my God, I can't remember. Squeeze? No. Tempted by the proof of another lyrics. Squeeze. I knew. Okay, squeeze. Tempted. This is a good one. So perhaps there will be people tempted, saying, "It's not cool for the foes receiving one bullet of melancholy and disappearing, and melancholy having three hits before losing the game." So perhaps it's cool for melancholy to be out of the game with one hit too. And I remember, there will be a way to play again. Again, you will need to refresh the page as I did in the past when playing the demo. Crusaders of Might and Magic PC demo 3D. Oh yeah, that was a good one. So this is the game. Freedom Lord? I can't believe it. Oh, it's not Go. It's not Go. Good old games, but it's not good old games. Look at this. It's like another domain. Be careful with this. Well, not with them, but with taking a double. These are good old games. Be extra careful in the details. But I was playing this game, the demo for PC. Uh, and at some point you were running in the catacombs. Yes. Oh my God. I wish I can see the source code for this and Heroes 3 of Might and Magic. Heroes 3 of Might and Magic. But yeah, let's see this. You were running over here, very far away from here. Uh, this is amazing. Being almost a yeah teenager, preteen, almost a teenager, a child, and uh, playing this that point of time was insane. So you were running in this, and I saw a demo of augmented reality with one of these models. I was curious about how they made the model because it looks like this, and this is copyright property, I suppose. So yeah, you are running, and at some point you're running in the catacombs in a tunnel, and a screen appears saying that it's a demo, something like this, but it says demo. So this it will happen the same with this. We will be. I think if I am able to buy stuff again, I will buy it. I already bought this for PC, and I bought Heroes 5. I will get in touch with these people, good old games, and ask them if if I can. I think I can access to my account. But this is not the beginning of the game. There is a You can jump over here to enter the catacombs in here. Well, back to the game. Back to Sidereus. There will be at some point after killing. Oh my God! More hearts, more celebration after killing. Thanks. After having 15, 20, 25 enemies down. Uh, Probably. Who are you? Well, thank you very much for your support. I only okay. Where are it? Okay, all right. So after 25 enemies down, or having 3 hits or 1 hit, 3 hits, yeah, because at the beginning it will be silly, having 1 hit and be out of the game. But life is like that. You don't have 2 opportunities. Well, some people deserve another chance, that's for sure. Well, I am not the one who decides, I saw that in The Lord of the Rings. I better shut up. What else? What I was saying? Yeah, three, but we have another way of collision, another collision consideration. Let's suppose you're unable to. Let's suppose you're here and you get hit by the fall. That should count for you to get hit. You were unable to evade the ship. Here should count as a collision too. Collision, collision. Oh my god. In here, boom. So we also need to check this this type of collision besides the bullets, which is a lot, which is why I should shut up and start calling. And then I don't know the music. Remember, all right. So thank you very much for these 2 persons. Keep the hearts coming, the celebration coming. We'll have a drink of water and yeah, thank you. And what else? mm, 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 mm. Yeah, yeah, I suppose it's here. Yeah, I will put about above. Mm, 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 mm. Collision involves or transform application. Oh, we have Nikhil Sate. We have chat disconnected. Please wait while we try to reconnect. Nikhil Sate. There is this thing impeding me to look what this guy is saying. Here, of object. Okay. Nikhil Sate. Collision detection. If object. Okay. If object location. Dot dot dot. And three dots. Oh, wow. Oh, you moved the thing. Thank you very much. And this is Batman. Look at this. Thank you, Sate. Collision detection. If object location is same as location of circle, object location that will be, let us see, wins object bullet of the circle. But we have a radius, it can hit here, or the bullet can be right here. But you are right, it's the location, because if we say the location, the origin, which is here, we won't take into account these bullets. But you are right. Perhaps you're referring to this. There is a box over here. But yeah, thank you very much. That this makes a lot of sense, Nikhil. Thank you very much. I appreciate this. Like this advice. Collision on foes. Yeah, comes bullet of this state. The hero shoots. bullet. And here's the this. I don't like this part because of the internal overload. But again, there are just a few enemies. State foes. And lately, not I will refactor this thing outside this and having perhaps higher order functions to see if we can send the function to be to be used with because we will have these traversals quite a lot. But the function operating on the elements will change. So perhaps using some higher order functions in here. All right. Area from origin. All right. Bro, I am just a beginner. If you know better, you should do that. That was my brute force. Oh, you already did this thing. That was my brute force approach. Yes. No, I am not saying you're cool, man. Yeah, don't think of you as a beginner if you already did this game. That's amazing. And if you don't, but you know how to do it, that's quite cool too. Uh, listen to these guys, Peter Norvig. Uh, if your solution works, you should be okay. You're amazing. Don't feel like a beginner. Besides that, what makes you? Let's suppose there are some other algorithms and data structures giving us more flexibility on this scenario. Perhaps given that parameter, that will make us novice, but no, don't drink it. The seniority and some other stuff. Perhaps experience, yeah. But yeah, this is cool though. It's a brute force, but it's amazing. Thank you very much. Area from origin. We have 2 likes, 2 concurrent viewers. Thank you. And that's great that you already did this stuff. Okay, so comes bullet, these are hero shoots, or comes forward of this stage forwards. You shall move the screen, okay. For comes bullet of this state hero shoots, for comes forward on this of this state falls. Now check in here for pose we have a size 30. And the drawer for the triangle is taking into account the size. So it's chord minus size. So we should definitely check the size. I wish there was a construct between. But yeah, we can do it with these fellows. You know, does any programming language have between besides SQL? Sorry for this. I like programming languages. Between construct. besides SQL. Is there any other language besides SQL for relational? Oh no, this is not the question I'm asking. Let's just put this. I'm not sure if a programming language besides SQL has this construct. You can do it with greater. They have unless like uh, Elixir. Yes, and Ruby. Uh, but I'm not sure if they have between construct. This is off topic. Sorry, programming language. Yeah, if I get to design a programming language, which I will be in the future, I will include between. Perplexity search. Hmm, perplexity search engine. It's related to AI, right? Yeah, AI power. I saw that. Does any programming language includes the between keyword? No, there's not appear to be any major programming language that includes the keyword between and as a result, well, here's a summary. All right, so we have perplexity AI. Yeah, here it is. What we were saying. This is cool. Great, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Nikhil Sarte. 2 likes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Nikki Sarte. Okay, let's back to this. Consulate researches for both of these states, polls, and if bullet for x we need wait check. Let me paint this. I'm going to delete this. So this is our fold, and this is our bullet. This point is the for the triangle xy. The size xy. Okay, if xy, let's call this two size. It's the middle. So we have size and size. If x and x between, which should be modeled with greater and less than, x between two sides. Well, not two sides because that would be 60. Between, let's call this f, x minus size and x plus size. There should be a better way to encode this. And this y and this y greater or equals fy. Yeah, this should do it. Yes. What are the people saying? As to the perplexity search, yeah. 1 hour. Thanks, Nikhil. Sate. All right. Uh, okay, we have. Yeah, it should be an ant. For remove for by index. Okay, now we need bullet x, x greater than 4 size. And I'm going to put more parentheses, even if the precedence operator perhaps is not necessary. And I will certainly need to move this outside. ID. Last hit. Let's see how it goes with this. For the two people. Okay. Where is the leg? Oh, oh no! What's happening? Let's go right over here. Okay, something's wrong. I need. I need. And the booger bus. That will be a lot of computation. There will be a lot of steps involved in here. So perhaps we should think of our condition. Let's see if the bullet is it's here. Okay, we have one bullet. We have its coordinates and speed. Okay. This is silly. You know, there's a gazillions of stars over here, so we need to stop here and move the booger inside here. Once they start appearing on the screen. Okay, we have one. I'm sorry for these interruptions. 1 hour. So this is 320. Okay, in here, this is not. There should be. Okay, this. The fact is that this condition is not true because the bullet is down below here. We don't have the bullet cord. Why we need so this Nick Kill is saying why we need the core equals source at the same time. How they will be the same at the same moment? No, it's inside a ranch. They won't be. It's not asking for the same. Let me explain my idea. Okay, so this is the ball. This is the XY. This this point, and the triangle is drawn that there is a line between this point to x minus size. So it's here, and there is another line here to here, which is x plus size. Now this is our bullet. Uh, I'm asking if this bullet is inside this range in here. It should hit here, but it should hit this area too, even here. So I'm asking with, where are you? Okay, so why we need chord greater or equals than for size? And yeah, because I am asking for a range. Range? Range? Sorry, let me get this pronunciation.
range,
Range, yeah, asking for a range. Range in here, so X from the bullet, XB, XB should be greater than this one at the same time, and at the same time this is and it should be less, this X should be less than XB, than X, this X plus size. If this condition is met, XB, this one, greater than this point, greater is over here, and at the same time XB being less than this point, that means the X is in this area, in this range, sorry. And we are checking for Y to be equals, or, oh, it should be minus because we are moving upwards. So thank you for your question. hopefully that's, hopefully that's, uh, okay, so yes, so you got it. How will it be the same time? Yes, okay. He retracted, this person retracted, I'm not sure. But then for x minus size and bullet plus size. Yeah, but the problem is not, oh, you're asking for this. Yeah, probably my mistake. But there are two. Yeah, my mistake here. But the problem is that the coordinate system in here, our bullet, the hero bullet, is moving upwards towards the top. So its y coordinate is decreasing. Is decreasing. And I am asking, besides this error that I didn't see, sorry, is like having greater. So I'm asking for the B down below here, which will never happen. So it's less than because the bullet is moving towards the y equals 0. So there were two errors, but most likely this was crucial. Thank you very much. By the way, you use now that I click here Control R instead of the. Do you guys use? Yeah, indeed. Thank you very much. Do you guys use Visual Studio Code or NVim or which text editor are you? Oh, we need to remove the debugger. Yeah, this kind of. I wanted to. Where is the first? Oh my God. Okay. Oh, there was a problem. This is not true. Here. Okay, was hit. Okay, and yes, this is true. It should be hit here. Here. No hit. But we did we hit the other. No hit. No hit. Hit. Okay. Let's wait for some other guys. No hit. No hit. This happened because we are checking all the enemies, even the ones that are belong here. So we need to remove these guys that are over here. No hit, no hit, no hit. Look at this coordinate. Okay. Also, we need to remove the bullets. Look at this coordinate. Oh my God, I'm not even. Uh, all right. This one hit, right? Because the enemy is down below here. It's in the range and it's greater. So we need to remove the enemies that are below the screen. But the hit mechanism is doing cool, going right. Hit. All right. So we need to fix that thing. All right. So I have a slow PC, so I don't use VS Code. I use Win or NeoWin without extensions, but I am learning Emacs because get to flex in front of people. Okay, I used Emacs many years ago. I installed Emacs. I didn't use it. A little bit for 20 minutes, 10 minutes. But yeah, Beam or NeoWin without extension. So you are not getting uh, without extensions. So perhaps you can use Notepad++, which is lightweight and it has some syntax. I Lightning out of the box, without installing anything. You get a little bit of code completion, and this thing gets to remember the words that you have written, and it's free. But if you are in the Emacs, I suppose a little more. It's for you. It's more efficient in the typing because those are keyword oriented. But other than that, I am learning Emacs. Oh, sorry, I guess this is an current bitrate. Okay, well, great. So great is I have been two installed. The all right. Um, yeah, it's up to you. Great, that's great. So we have this thing working. By the way, thank you for being here and supporting this live stream. So, okay, Paul was hit. Let's see if we can make it disappear with a splice. But I don't know if a splice lets empty slots. Ideally, we should have a data structure that there is this topic resizing arrays in algorithms, but we will need to implement it in JavaScript, and I am not doing that. Uh, but you will need extra memory to create the new arrays with double the size, medium the size. And I was reading that for each doesn't check the empty slot, so we are cool in that regard. Let's use slide splice. This state false. Oh, we are. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. We are mutating the array while traversing the array. That's not a good idea. Uh, Perhaps we should mark these fellows for to delete them over here, over here, delete over here. Okay, that was wrong. The second one was wrong, probably because of that. Look at this. This is wrong. They are getting deleted. Prior to being here, that didn't work. Okay, that worked. It didn't work. Maybe because of the coordinate. That should be removed. Those should be removed. It is related to the post below. Okay, this should be removed. And this one should be hit too. This should be removed. But I'm not sure. Perhaps the index, uh, it works with the first, but once the element is removed, the indexes are messed up. Okay. Oh, because the first one. Yeah, this is quite a detail. Oh my God. Yeah, the this will be a very detailed section. Okay. So it delete everything. Okay, here's another one. Yeah, there's something with the splice method. Okay. Yeah, there's something wrong with it. The splice method is messing up the indexes. That was good. And look at this. This disappeared. So the splice method is giving us a hard time. Cool, it's working. Yeah. Are you using any library? Are you using any library for game or building from scratch on HTML canvas? Yeah, I am doing it with HTML. Look at this. I only have one canvas, and in here, these are the scripts for the game. There is no library involved. I didn't want to use a library for this game. That's why you are seeing all the things implementing from scratch. But and the next ones, if I do another game again, I certainly will use a library. There is no need for, unless you want to learn something or get to learn something or something related with some topic related to game engines. But other than that, if you want to deliver a product, finished product, not a prototype, or even a prototype, it's a good idea to use a library. But in here, I wanted to know the Canvas API. It was a long a goal that I have had for years, for years. But use a library unless you want to understand some game engine related topics. Um, there are gazillions of game engines, I suppose. So it feels in being controlled not using any library. You get to the point to manage every detail, but it requires you doing everything. But you get to control every detail and construct and build every detail. But uh, In the next ones, I will use a library, especially as you can see, this collision will need a lot of attention to the details going on, or and perhaps you get to avoid that work with libraries. I have been here for 1 hour and a half. I will have a 10 minutes break. Thank you very much. I will drink some water and be right back in 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah. So thank you very much, Nikhil Sate, for your insights and your input over for your support in this video, for the celebration and all of it. Thank the other viewer too. I'll be right back in 5 minutes. Los hijos te hablan. ¿Por qué no? Ni puede. Y si tú lo limitas, no vas a poder. No vas a poder. So this is what happening with Sidereus. Even worse, if we access. Because we deleted D, sorry, E or F. Exactly, E. E, yeah, we deleted E. So this is not good. Mm, 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 mm. We can use a linked list. I forgot to ask this guy for his GitHub so I can take a look at his code projects and see what how the code the projects what the code that is writing. I will write in here, so hopefully this person will see and in the future share with us it at their GitHub account. By the way, sorry for all the idle time we did have. I have to take willingly take some tasks for here. The hour grows late. Can use a linked list. And if the user hits this one, if the user hits this one, hit, hit uh, oh my god, we will need a reference to this node previous and previous next should point oh previous next should point to the next and t current next. I'm not sure if this guy have this JavaScript has this. No, well, it should have one. How do they think of no? What's the semantics of no in JavaScript? But then again, I have to buy tortilla. I'm sorry. That's why I'm not charging money for this because no, it's not good. But if I get to find a platform in which um, I have to charge, in which I am able to charge money, I will. I won't be interrupting the sessions like I'm doing now. So we will use some kind of linked list. Be right back. Yeah, this is true because I have done this quite like 4 5 times. We're back. We're going to conclude the will. I'm sorry, fella, but I will going to eat at any given point. So there will be okay, more hard. Thank you. And if you are this same guy, this Nikhil said that you please share your GitHub account over here if you will, if you want to, so I can take a look at the JavaScript code and you're writing and learn something from your projects. But I'm not sure if you are the same person, this concurrent viewer. So if you are the same person, I will write. Actually, I'm going to write it right now. At the end, at the end. So this person shares its GitHub account. But then again, you might be disappointed because I'm going to eat in some minutes from now. Sorry. Like if I get into a platform to, I will not be interrupting the. So yeah, I don't want to. I have done this, but there should be a way because I don't want to do it. But perhaps I need to explore their way.